In today's video, I'll show you how to add the depth effect to the lock screen on your iPhone. Let's get into the method. First, swipe down from the very top left corner of your screen to bring up the lock screen and notification panel. Now long press in some space somewhere in the middle of the screen to open the lock screen editor. Next, we need to choose the lock screen that you want to turn on the depth effect for. You can swipe left or right to find the one you want. Then tap on Customize under it, and then tap on the lock screen option if you're given the choice. Next, tap on the 3 dots icon on the right side, and then you can toggle the depth effect. Make sure the check mark is next to it for it to be on. If you don't see this option, try moving the lock screen background around. Try zooming and changing where the clock might overlap with the background. It can take a while to get it to sit right for the option to appear. Some backgrounds might not have enough objects for the option either. You could also change the size of the clock with the handle if you have this clock font selected, or try with a new lock screen by tapping on the plus icon on the editor page. Tap on Done in the top right corner to save the changes. That's how to add the depth effect to the lock screen on your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.